It's Tuesday afternoon, July 5th, here, and I'm here in Jerusalem to study at the Hartman Institute. I haven't been back since I attended the intensive 3-year seminar known as the Rabbinic Leadership Initiative. It's been 6 years, and it is just wonderful to be back in Jerusalem, to be in the atmosphere of the Hartman Institute, which runs this Rabbinic Torah seminar every summer for rabbis of all denominations who serve in America and Canada. So it's wonderful to see old friends, both from my 3-year cohort and others from the Rabbinical Assembly, the conservative rabbis. And our theme this year is identity, Jewish identity, and especially a response to the changing nature of the Jewish community in America. These are issues that we, as our own congregation, Shaare Tefila, deals with and struggles with all the time. The idea of why people join a synagogue, why people don't join a synagogue, how to get people interested in joining a synagogue, and even taking a step back, what does it mean to be affiliated with a synagogue in the year 2016? These are all very challenging issues and provocative issues. And the scholars this week will be addressing all of those issues. One idea, though, that Hartman always addresses, and what it means for me to be a rabbi, is that a statement that Rabbi Daniel Hartman opened the seminar just a little bit earlier this afternoon. And that is, what is essential to being Jewish? Is it studying, because study leads to action, or is it action itself? In other words, just doing the good deeds, doing what we know is right within a Jewish context. And the conclusion that Rabbi Hartman comes to, and one that I come to as well, is that study and action must always go together. Though I personally love to study and find spirituality and spiritual renewal through study, I know that study is worthless without leading to ethics, that we need to study in order to be Jewish. Just as this week's Torah reading, Korach, talks about. Korach, the cousin of Moses, who revolts and leads a rebellion against Moses' leadership. Who are you, Moses, to lead the people? Who says you are a leader? What does it mean to take an active role within the Jewish community? Is it just because it feels good, or because we know we are doing so within a broader, more sacred and eternal Jewish context? These are the questions that we'll be addressing this week at Hartman, and I look forward to sharing with you more upon my return and as we begin our programming year after the summer. Shabbat Shalom.